Hello my dear children, I hope you must be studying and doing well. Today in this video we are going to study chapter number 2, subject and predicate. Children, we have studied about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Now a sentence can be separated into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. First part, the person, place, thing or emotions that is spoken about. That is called the naming part. It is also known as the subject. This is the part of a sentence about which something is said. Number 2, what is being said about the person, place, thing or emotion. That is the doing part. It is called the predicate also. It is the part of a sentence which says something about the subject. So we can divide sentence into how many parts? Two parts. Naming part, subject, doing part, predicate. For example, the gardener waters the plants. It's a sentence, isn't it? But the gardener is the naming part, that is the subject. Waters the plant is the doing part, it's the predicate. In the above sentence, the gardener is the naming part or the subject. The doing part or the predicate is waters the plant, as it says something about the naming part. And naming part is gardener. Is that clear? So the subject thus is the part of a sentence about which something is said, and the predicate is the part of a sentence which says something about the subject. Every sentence contains a subject and a verb. A short sentence may consist of only two words, that is, he sleeps. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. It does not have a written subject. For example, thank you. Thank you means I thank you. Go away. It means you go away. In these sentences, the subject I and you are understood. Children, now you note down this in your notebook. What are the two parts of a sentence? The two parts of a sentence are: subject is the part of a sentence about which something is said. 2. Predicate is the part of a sentence which says something about the subject. Now, book exercise A exercise, separate the following sentences into subject and predicate. Stars twinkle in the sky. Stars, subject, twinkle in the sky, predicate. They are walking down the road. They, subject, are walking down the road, predicate. The monkey sat upon a tree. The monkey, subject, sat upon a tree, predicate. All the students were wearing uniform. All the students, subject, were wearing uniform, predicate. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs, subject, seldom bite. Exercise B. Complete the following sentences by adding suitable predicate. My parents are very kind. Their house is very big. That tree is very tall. Those birds are flying. The rainbow is very beautiful. Exercise C. Fill in appropriate subject for the following predicate. India is a developing country. The park is near my house. The train stopped at the station. The Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Chess is a very interesting game. Exercise D. Join the matching parts to make meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. For example, these oranges are very sweet. These oranges are very sweet. Now we have to make sentences using this. Maths is a scoring subject. My father works in a factory. My little sister is playing with her toys. That bicycle is mine. Exercise E. Write one sentence to describe the action shown in each of the given picture. Underline the subject with red and the predicate with blue. First is, the children are cheating. The children, underline this and write S. Are cheating, P, predicate. The children are playing. The children, underline and write down S and are playing, P, predicate. Third, the boy is watering the plants. The boy, subject, is watering the plants, predicate. The woman is cooking. The woman, subject, is cooking, predicate. Number 5, The girl is eating an ice cream. The girl subject is eating an ice cream, predicate. 6. The children are watching TV. The children subject are watching TV, predicate. Number 7. The boy is sleeping. The boy subject is sleeping, predicate. The birds are flying. The birds subject are flying, predicate. My dear children, with this we have completed this chapter. You revise the chapter. Do all the exercises neatly in book as well as in your notebook and study well. May God bless you all. Thank you.